You can insert loads via the input panel. So if we choose the workstation loads, you can also set a certain category, for example, the point loads, line loads, surface loads. So let us start with the point load, and then we have the available point loads. In our case, we are now in load case 1, which is the self-weight, so therefore I cannot add any loads. So in the status bar, I can quickly change to another load case, for example, to the other permanent loads. And now I can add the several loads on my structure. So for example, a point load, I can add it in a node on a 1D member or as a free load. So let us take the point load in a node. And in that dialog, I can set the value of my point loads. And if I would like, I can switch the system, the global coordinate system or the local coordinate system, together with the direction of my load. Then I can confirm and I can select the node where I would like to place my load, and I can confirm with escape. If I want to add a point load on a 1D member, you can do the same principle. And now I have also the geometry of my beam, so I can do it relatively or absolutely. And I can set it, for example, in the middle of my beam. Then I select the beam, and you see that it's nicely placed over there. Now, if we go to the category line loads, there we have line loads on 1D members, on the edge of a 2D member, and as well the free line loads. So when I take a line load on a 1D member, I can set the distribution to uniform or trapezoidal. I can set the value again and the geometry on the full beam, or maybe from 40% to 80% of the beam. And I can confirm and select one or multiple elements. The same for a line load on the edge. I take the default value, I select the edge of my 2D element, and I can confirm. And then we have the group of surface loads. Here I can put a surface load on the 2D member or a free surface load. So if I take one on a 2D member, I can set again local or global, and in a certain direction I can select the element and I can confirm and the load will be placed.